In this video, we will discuss about Audit Charter. Let us discuss what is Audit Charter. Audit Charter is the formal document that contains scope of the audit functions, authority of the audit functions, and responsibility of the audit functions. Scope means which processes, department, locations, etc. should be audited. Authority means what are the authorities of the audit department to access the records and relevant data for the audit. Responsibility of audit function means what is the responsibility of the head of the audit and whom he should be reporting. Actions of the audit department is primarily influenced by the audit chart. This was one of the CISA question. So, auditor's role is basically defined by audit charter as scope of the audit functions, authority of the audit functions, and responsibility of the functions are covered in audit charter. Question arises: who should approve the audit charter? Audit charter should be approved by senior management. In most of the organization, it is approved by audit committee of the board. Now let us discuss what audit charter should be and what audit charter should not be. Audit charter should be approved by highest level of the management. It should be a written document and it defines the roles and responsibility of audit function. But audit charter should not be dynamic in nature, that is, it should not be changed too often. It should not include detailed yearly audit calendar, audit planning, yearly resource allocation, and other routine audit activities. It should not include aspects like professional fees, travel expenses, etc. Let us discuss how audit charter is drafted in real world. So first it will say by whom it is being approved, mostly by audit committee board. Then it will set out the objective of the audit department to assist the board, audit committee, management in discharge of their oversight function. Then some authority for the audit department. Freedom for internal audit department to appraise all plans, policies, procedures. Also how audit department work, they can take assistant of specialist or professional when considered necessary. So these are some extract from actual audit charter. This will help you to understand the content of audit charter. Let us discuss some key aspects from CISA exam perspective. Who should approve the audit charter of an organization? Senior management. What should be the content of an audit charter? Scope of the audit function, authority of the audit function, and responsibility of the audit function. What is the prime reason for review of an organization chart? To understand the authority and responsibility of the individuals. Actions of an IS auditor are primarily influenced by Audit Charter. Which document provides the overall authority for an auditor to perform an audit? Again, Audit Charter. What is the primary reason for the audit function directly reporting to the audit committee board? Yes, independence. Audit function must be independent of the business function and should have direct access to the audit committee of the board. Let us discuss some practice questions. The audit charter should incorporate the scope, authority and responsibility of the audit department. Prime objective of an audit charter is to document the responsibility and authority of the audit department. Thanks for watching.